Websites taking forever to load or not loading properly? Try changing the DNS server on your iPhone. For this, open Settings on your iPhone. Tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a working Wi-Fi network. You can see a small info icon next to the Wi-Fi name. Tap on it. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on Configure DNS. By default, it will be set to automatic. Change it to manual. You can remove any existing DNS servers by tapping on the minus icon. Now, tap on Add Server and enter the DNS address you want to use. For this demo, let's use 8.8.8.8, Google's DNS server. Tap Save in the top right corner. The DNS is now changed for this Wi-Fi network. Now open a browser and try to access a website that was slow earlier. You'll notice it loads instantly. And that's it.